Senate Republicans today blocked a bill that would have allowed students to refinance their education loans. 22 News reporter Matt Caron is live at our Hampshire County Bureau to explain why Elizabeth Warren's bill failed.
Republicans blame Democrats for turning it into a political issue. They say it would be just another excuse to raise taxes. But Democrats are saying that this bill would have helped students save money. The bill was sponsored by Massachusetts United States Senator Elizabeth Warren. It would have allowed students to refinance their loan debt at the same 3.86% rate that's being offered to new student borrowers. The Obama administration says the bill would have provided relief for about 25 million borrowers, saving them about $2,000 each for the life of their loan.
It's crippling. I've seen plenty of my friends get out of college and have to move back home with their parents to get wages that are below minimum wage sometimes, or minimum wage, and it's awful. Refinancing really would have been a really great option.
Republicans say that this bill did not do anything to address the important issues of lowering the cost of education and reducing borrowing. Reporting live at our Hampshire County Bureau in Northampton, Matt Caron, 22 News.